In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva not removing background. A lot of people think the tool is broken, when really Canva just needs one simple thing set up first. First, make sure you have actually selected an image. If the background remover seems to do nothing, it is usually because nothing on the page is selected. Look at your Canva design area and click directly on the photo you want to edit so a box appears around it. When that box with handles shows up, Canva now knows which image you want to work on. Once that is done, remember that the background remover only works on images. It will not work on text, shapes, or grouped elements. If you try to use it while a text box is selected, the options that you need either look faded or they will not respond at all. A quick way to confirm is to look at the side panel. If you see image adjustments like brightness and contrast, you are on an image. If you only see text options like font and size, you are not. Now click the image again to be completely sure it is active. This might feel repetitive, but it avoids a common mistake where people accidentally click the empty canvas and lose the selection. When the image is correctly selected, you will see a colored outline around it and small circles at the corners for resizing. That outline is your visual cue that any edits you apply next will affect this exact picture. From there, click Edit Image in the top toolbar. Look toward the top of the screen, above your design, and you will see a row of buttons. Edit Image usually appears near options like Crop and Flip. When you click it, a panel opens on the left or as a drop-down, showing different image tools. If you do not see Edit Image at all, it almost always means the selected item is not an image, so go back and check that you are not on a text box or a background color. Next up, select Background Remover. In the Edit Image panel, scroll if needed until you see Background Remover listed with its small preview icon. Click it once and Canva will start processing right away. You will notice a short loading animation over your image as Canva detects the subject and removes the background automatically. When it finishes, the busy background disappears and you should see your subject cut out on a transparent or plain backdrop. If the edges look a little off, that means the tool is working but the original photo had complex details. You have now fixed Canva not removing the background by correctly selecting your image and applying the background remover tool. If this walkthrough helped you get clean cutout images, a quick thumbs up helps more people fix the same issue, and you can subscribe if you would like more Canva tips.